everybody, welcome back to my channel, ELO for Life. And yes, I have an awesome video for you all today. I am going to crochet some hair into my current hair. Now, in one of my previous videos, you saw where I did a product review on the straightening comb by Revlon versus the Babyliss Pro titanium flat iron. This video is strictly, I recorded this video strictly after that video where I actually did flat iron my hair before braiding it, and I wanted you all to actually see my braid pattern on what I decided to do. So I did split my hair in half. I have 11 braids going back, and I have about 6 plaits in the back, and I just simply connected them. I like the fact that I had blow dried and somewhat lightly flat iron my hair before braiding it, because it makes the braiding so much easier. And the hair that I have is from a company called Mirror that I found on Amazon, and I knew I wanted some different type of crochet hair this time, not the regular type of crochet hair. So these are actually called bomb twists. And I've seen some pictures and been on YouTube and saw some people who've actually used bomb twists. Now, bomb twist is a little bit different from spring twist, of course. And I think the pattern on this looks beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I did get the color black, and you get about 24 bomb twists in each pack. So when you do purchase, you get 6 packs and for one deal, and it's about $33 something. They do offer other colors, and I will put a link below to Amazon on the company that I did purchases from. Now, with me doing something different, sorry y'all, I'm probably looking at TV at the same time, but I want you all to see what it looks like up close. And you do get like a little spring curl at the bottom. Now, I have seen where some people who don't like the spring curl itself, what they do is they actually go in and they will cut that little curly Q thing off at the end. Now, the loops on this is a pre-loop hair, which this is what I absolutely love, because I don't have to twist this myself. But what I am doing is the loops in here are so small itself. So I try to take my little rat tail comb and open up a little bit. And since it's too small, then I had to find something else. So I got one of my bill clips, duck clips, and open that up a little bit more, just so that I can try to get the twist through. So now in this process, you all have seen many videos on YouTube where people crochet the hair. Now, what I wanted to do is I'm going to use a more downward motion when crocheting the hair, and this really depends on, some people crochet going up, some people crochet going down. I find it easier to do it bringing the hook through going down, because I want my bomb twist to lay really flat to my head, and you will see that at the end of this video. Now, in this little part right here, I was having a little issue because I was using a hook that actually came with the package, and they do give you a hook with some one of those little hair jewelry things that you saw at the beginning of my video. And this hook just was not acting right, y'all. It was horribly, I mean, when I was trying to pull my hair through, the hook itself was so stiff, like it just did not want to push itself over. And I'm trying to like make sure that I'm not turning up my edges. Now, we don't want to go edgeless in this process. And you also want to make sure you protect your edges when you're doing your crochet hairstyle. So I'm being real careful, but this particular hook was just not getting it, and I was getting real frustrated because I actually had to pull this hook up out of my hair so it would not rip out my edges. And at this point, you know, I'm sitting here like, okay, how I'm going to get this hook up out of my hair? And look at my face. Yes, it's giving me problems. So I thought I got it, but I knew that I was not going to continue to use this hook. Now, I have plenty of hooks that I've gotten from the beauty supply stores and stuff. So at some point, I did trade this hook out for my own hook, because that hook was just like a no-no. I just was not happening. But I finally was able to get one through. And I think it was giving me problems. So I was just like, forget it. That ain't happening. And the hook wasn't happening. So that's when I traded out for my other hook. They all pretty much look the same. You can find some hooks where they have brown handles or different color hooks. But I just had to get my own hook. I had to go get one of my previous own hooks, and I threw that hook away because that hook was no good. So I was like, okay, let's try this again. So I'm going to go ahead, and this time it was much easier to pull it through because I was able to pull it through, and that the little straight edge that claps over was able to fall over into the position that it needed to fall over as I was pulling the hair through. Now some people use a crochet hook to actually bring the hair through the pre-loop. However, I just used my hands to do it, and it wasn't hard at all. It was much easier than trying to grasp it on the hook and bring it through. I wasn't going to keep messing with a hook to bring stuff through. So it was pretty easy, and it's pretty flat. And I want you all to see this up close, how that looks. Now, it really depends on your spacing when you are spacing your crochet twist. And I wanted to make sure that I didn't want my hair to look too bulky. Some people's hair will look bulky because they have too much hair in it, and that's not the look that I was going for. So I'm just going to show you guys one more time on me crocheting the bomb twist into my lower braid. Okay, you guys, so at this point, I had actually put in, I believe it's one pack of hair at this point, and this is what one pack of hair will get you. And I am absolutely feeling the hair. I'm like, oh wow, I know this is going to turn out real pretty. I can already see it at this point, and I am absolutely doing a great job. And then at this point, this is where I think I have about 4 packs of hair in my hair, and 4 packs, as you all can see, I am just about done. I am feeling myself. I am like, yes, baby, yes, this is what I'm talking about. Look at what 4 packs has gotten me. I know you can try different types of hairstyles with this. Sometimes you may have to crochet your whole hair. It just depends, because I was trying to figure out what kind of style I wanted to wear this in. And I'm absolutely loving it. You all can see how everything is laying so far, the fullness that it's giving me so far with 4 packs of hair. And at this point, y'all, I have completed my whole head. I have used almost 6 packs of hair and put in some of those silver jewelry because I love silver and I wear silver earrings. And this is absolutely the end result. Oh, this is a cute style, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all my final take or what I thought about the process and the hair so far. Well, y'all, this is the final result of my install of the bomb twist that I actually purchased from Amazon, and I am absolutely love them. I had actually bought 2 6-packs because I wasn't sure I was going to need 7 packs. but they were only like $30-something a piece for 6 packs. And in each one of those twists, like I said before, you get you actually get 24 bomb twists. So I didn't use quite 6 packs for my style whatsoever. Almost, but I did have some bomb twists left. And then in the result of that, I still have a whole 6 pack. So was it worth the investment? Definitely. I have a second whole 6 pack that I can use the next time when I want to achieve the style next time around. I've never done bomb twists before. Now I have crocheted braided hair in one of my videos. Maybe I'll put that below, or you can just check out my channel. But y'all, I absolutely love, and the reason why I wanted a low protective style, because right now I'm in the middle of a heat challenge. It's a workout transformation challenge. And, you know, a sis ain't got time to be getting up finagling wigs every morning. Like, I'm actually working out twice a day. So, with me being natural, doing the ponytail with the drawstring wasn't going to work. I'm, you know, sweating. I really just needed something low-key, low maintenance for a while. And I'm absolutely loving this, you guys. I absolutely love it. I think it is gorgeous. Would I do this again? Absolutely. I may do another color next time. I don't know. I may actually crochet passion twist. I don't know what I'm going to do. But right now, this is working for me. So I ain't got to finagle no wigs in the morning. That's what I was looking for. I just want to get up, get my workout in, prep my meal for the day, and get my kids together and get out the door. So if you're looking for something very low maintenance, I absolutely suggest this. I love these bomb twists because they're actually small, and the hair does not smell at all. Doesn't smell. So in some reviews, I will put a link below exactly the vendor that I got it from. I got it from Mirror. And some people say their hair smell. This one didn't smell at all for me. These bomb twists are a 10-inch, and this is the right length for me. I didn't want to go any longer. I didn't want no super long hair. I just need something short. Heck, if they would have had an 8-inch, I probably would have went with an 8-inch. But the 10-inch is working well for me. I may install these in my youngest daughter's hair because, you know, we always looking for something low maintenance and protective style. My hair's not heavy at all. It's just very lightweight, very fluffy, and they move. So, I am absolutely happy. I give this hair a thumbs up. Now, I may come back and do an update review on where they are in a couple of weeks, just to give you all an update. Do they frizz out a lot? I don't know, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear a hair bonnet at night, just so that they try not to frizz out as much. I hope they don't. I hope they stay like this. And if they do, that's awesome. That's great if they do it. If they do. But I will give you an update on this hair and on this style. My hair, when I braided my hair back, it was had been flat iron. So my braids were very, very small just because it was flat iron. And before installing these. And I absolutely love it because I can put it up in different styles. That's what I was looking for. I like wearing it to the side. So, and then when I was crocheting here, I was always crocheting it to like one side all the time. And then these last 2 braids over here, I actually crocheted, took the hook and went down that way. So with that being said, give this, if you all love this hairstyle, give it a thumbs up, rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. And God bless.